Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to work offline on your Gmail account. Sometimes it happens that you don't have internet and you want to draft an email or reply to an email and you don't have internet. So you can make your Gmail works offline without having internet. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, you must have Google Chrome, and this feature is not supported by Internet Explorer or other browser. And for this, we go and click on the gear icon and then click on see all settings and then click on offline tab. Then check the box next to enable offline mail. After that, you can change the sync settings. This will make the emails available offline. For example, if I choose 7 days, the emails for the 7 days will be offline available. And if you want to make it more, for example 30 days or 90 days, then you can choose them. Then go to security settings. You can remove or keep the offline data after you logged out from your account. For this, I will choose remove offline data from my computer. Then I will click save changes. I will choose remove offline data from my computer when after I logged out from my Google account. Then click save changes. After you click save changes, you get a notifications that tell you resynchronization is required every time you log out or you relog in back to your account. Click got it. So it comes back to your inbox and it will synchronize the 7 days email to be available for offline use. And then as you see, we have the synchronization icon is working. And then after that, you have to create a bookmark for your offline access. For this, you can press Ctrl D on your keyboard and you can choose a location for your bookmark. For example, I will choose from the folder, I will choose the bookmark toolbar or bookmark bar. I will choose that and then click done. In my case, the bookmark bar is not visible, so I will press Ctrl Shift B on the keyboard to make it visible. So now I will disconnect the internet and reload the page, and then I'll click the bookmark, my inbox. As you see, it will load the inbox and emails for 7 days will be available for offline use. You can reply or draft any email. For this, I will click compose to send an email. So I'll write the recipient email address and I'll write a text message or test message and then click send. After you click the send icon, the email will be kept in the outbox until you come back online. Once you are back online, the emails standing inside the inbox will be sent automatically without doing anything. So let's bring back my laptop to online, and as you notice that after the computer come back online, all the emails inside the outbox folder will be disappeared, and then if I check my sent item, I will find the email which was inside the outbox is there, which is mean the email has been sent automatically without doing anything. So that's it for today. See you in my next video.